Hello YouTube, this is Paramecium914 here, and I've got something a little bit different today. Obviously we're playing some Minecraft. I'm here on a server that I'm on with a couple of my friends. And yes, um, so for any of you Doctor Who fans out there, today I am going to be building a TARDIS. That's right, I'm going to be building a TARDIS. It's going to be awesome. So let's get started. The TARDIS is obviously blue, so I'm starting off with some blue wool here. Let's see, I need my sticky piston. Put it there. And so the whole idea of a TARDIS, for those of you who are unfamiliar with Doctor Who, is that it's supposed to be bigger on the inside. Well, how is it going to be bigger on the inside if I'm building it in Minecraft? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this little drop thing, like with the piston, like the piston's gonna be in the out position here, and then there'll be a little floor, and then you pull a lever and you retract it and you fall down, and then it's bigger on the inside. So it has to be kind of small, because I've kind of played around with this idea a little bit in creative mode, and it has to be really small to look good, basically. And you have to have some redstone wiring hidden behind in a hill, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get some wooden planking for the floor, put it right there, and then gonna need to get a lever and go ahead and build the box up a little bit. So yeah, I'm kind of doing this, like, I know it's been a few weeks now, but the 50th anniversary of Doctor Who was very recently, and there was I thought that episode for the season finale was very good. So this will go here. Actually, yeah, I don't think if I put it here it actually does anything. No, it doesn't. So I have to put it up here, and it still doesn't do anything, but that's where the redstone wiring comes in. So yeah, so I need here, put the redstone there, and then I come around, flip that on. Oh, that's all I need. Cool. Okay, that was easier than I was expecting it to be. Okay. So yeah, now I just need to hide that, obviously. So I'm gonna kind of. Oop, I'm out of dirt. Good thing I have another stack. Kind of hide it here, as if it have to build the hill up so that it's looks like it's part of just parts behind the hill, or in front of a hill rather. Sorry. Got that nice Minecraft music playing. They have some new music in the title screen now for Minecraft. I've been noticing by that C14 band, I guess. Is it C18? I can never remember the name of that band, or the group that plays the Minecraft music. But yeah, okay, so also we got some of these. And the idea behind these is, like, there's these little on the TARDIS, there's these little windows on the sides, and that's what these are supposed to be. They look kind of derpy, but oh well. Door. I need a door. There we go. That way we can get in. Flip that down. You can flip that up, and it closes the door as well. Okay, and the signs. Police. public call box. Gotta put the little torch on top too. Hehe. Because like when the TARDIS like goes away or disappears or whatever, there's this little light on top that kind of flashes and makes this kind of wheezing sound. That's I think is pretty cool. Right, so okay, and then the last one. Oh, what? I didn't know. What? Okay. There we go. Boom, TARDIS. So you come in here, you flip the switch, and you fall down. So now, obviously, that's just the first part. We have to dig down in there, and then kind of make a little room. I guess I don't have to dig down too far. I don't think I even want to dig down too far, because obviously I don't want to take too much fall damage when you come down here. I might put like a safe fall, like with some water down here later. But I'm gonna make the sides blue. Just have some leftover blue wool. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna make that too blue, because I'm going to be using some TNT to clear this area out, so I don't want to lose any of the wool. So just put that down there, and let's see, how am I going to get out? I didn't really think this through too well, did I? I guess I'll just kind of tunnel this way a little bit. And then I'll get out my flint and steel, and we are going to blow this stuff up. Run away! Cool. Cool, that didn't blow up anything I didn't want it to. Oh well. There's some wool. Oh well. Fire in the hole. Babe. Okay. Far enough away. I suppose. And let's see. One over here, I think. Okay, so while we're doing this, it's time for our microorganism shout-out of the day. Today we have Spyrogyra, and Spyrogyra is a genus of... It's a genus of green algae. It's pretty common. They're these colonial algae. Taxonomy-wise, it's they're in the phylum Chlorophyta, the class Zygnomatophyceae, the order Zygnometales, and the family Zygnomataceae. My pronunciation of that is obviously pretty bad, probably. But yeah, so and you've probably seen these things before, actually, if you've ever been to like a freshwater pond with a bunch of like algae growing in it. They're like those. They kind of look like these slimy mats, like these green slimy mats. If you look at them under a microscope, you can see that they're actually these long chains of these cells that kind of form like little threads. And you can kind of see that with the naked eye too if you like pick them up and look at them closely. But like if you just look at them in the water, they just look like these blobs of green goo. And they're all like I said, they're common freshwater, and the reason they're all slimy is because the outside of their cell wall are coated with a material called pectin, and the inner part of their cell wall is made of like cellulose, which is pretty normal for plants and algae. Um, like a lot of simple plants, they're haploid for most of their life, which means that they have one copy of their DNA in their nucleus. Like if you think of us, we're diploid, so we spend most of our time with two copies of our DNA. Like the only time when we're really not diploid is when we're like sperm and eggs. Those are haploids, gametes. But yeah, so they reproduce both asexually and sexually. Like asexually, they just do normal mitosis, haploid mitosis, and but sexually they can use conjugation. And there's two kinds of conjugation that they can do. There's scalariform conjugation, which is like they're in fibers, so they're constantly touching like their neighbors, but because they're colonial. But also, like if two fibers interact, like if two fibers touch each other, then they can like form these little tubules and exchange genetic information between fibers. And there's also lateral conjugation, which is just they're exchanging genetic information with their neighbors. And they're chloroplasts. I think this might be where they actually get their name. Their chloroplasts are kind of shaped like ribbons and make these little spiral structures within the cell that you can see pretty well. And Spyrogyra, I guess that's where they get the name Spyrogyra. Yeah. And yeah, that's Spyrogyra. They're very diverse. They have over 400 species, which is quite a lot. And yeah, if you want to find some of these guys, just go to a freshwater pond or something, and yeah. So back to Minecraft. Just collect this dirt. Can't have any loose dirt floating around. I guess we'll plant some more TNT over in here. Fire in the hole. Pick up bluey. Oh, that made a nice even box. It usually doesn't happen, I don't think. Yeah, so, ooh, my friend's online. Gonna say hi. Ooh, and we found some iron. That's pretty cool. I guess I'm just gonna mine this iron up. Iron, iron, iron. Mining iron. Okay, so we got a nice space cleared out. I don't think I'm actually going to work on this area until like a later video, because I honestly don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. But yeah, I think that's probably the video. Just mining out some cobble here. And some more iron. I'll go ahead and get this iron. And also, I'm going to need to figure out how we're going to get out of this thing, because obviously you fall down into it, but you need a way back out. I was thinking maybe something with like a nether portal, maybe, because the whole idea of a TARDIS is you're teleporting. So, and the nether portal, you're teleporting to the nether. So maybe there could be something with that. Obviously, I have as much space as I want, so. Yeah, let's just see if we can pop up here and test it out real quick. Tunnel up a little bit. Hopefully I don't come up underneath anything important. Yeah, we're just over here. We'll cover this back up. And yeah, so you open the door, you walk in, and boop, you're in. It's bigger on the inside. Okay, that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on Minecraft when we kind of format this area. And I don't know, maybe I'll have another Total War video up pretty soon. Hopefully, at least. I want to start getting videos out a little bit faster for you guys. But yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Tell your friends. Tell your neighbors. Tell your neighbors' pets. And yeah, okay. Ciao.